Hi everyone, Agnes here, and welcome to another self-love meditation. So just get settled and comfortable in your favorite position and begin to take some slow, deep breaths. In and out. In and out. In and out. Feel your body. Be aware of your body. And just relax a little bit more. Put your hand over your heart and feel your heartbeat. Keep breathing slowly and feel your heartbeat, releasing any tension by breathing it out. Now just acknowledge how your heart beats just for you. From the day you were born to this very day, your heart has always been there for you. It has never left you. It has always been here for you, giving you life energy so you can be alive, providing your body with the energy to keep you alive, giving you a chance to live how you want and enjoy life by using all of your heart. Your heart has given you so much love so far, never asking you for anything. Really acknowledge that. You didn't have to do anything for your heart to be here for you. Your heart has so much love for you. It beats for you no matter if you think about it or not, whether you thank it or not. It never takes any time off. It is fully here for you. Now, acknowledge how much love you receive each and every second. You are so loved each second. Feel the love from yourself to yourself. You are so provided for. There is an infinite source of love within you. Your body is a beautiful expression of love. Your body is giving you so much love. Your legs, no matter the shape or form, help you to walk around, carrying you. They love you too. Your eyes help you to see the beauty of life, people, nature. They love you. Your lungs are providing air so you can receive fresh new air every moment in your life. They love you. Your heart is giving life energy to every part of your body. It loves you. You are so supported constantly. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to do anything. From the day you were born, you were meant to be supported and provided for. Your amazing body is here for you so you can enjoy your life. Your body has so much love for you. Now feel the love from you to you. Feel the warmth of that love. Feel the power of that love. Feel the presence of that love. Love has never left you. Allow yourself to really connect with this feeling. Feel this life energy within you. Feel this love energy within you. Love is always here for you. It is here to support you, to be here for you, no matter what stage of life you are in and what you are currently going through. You are constantly so loved. You are constantly so supported. You are cared for. You are provided for. You are constantly accepted. Your body accepts you exactly as you are. Nothing has to change. You are enough. Feel this acceptance. Feel your heartbeat. Your heart is beating for you. Your legs are here for you and obeying you constantly. Acknowledge how accepted, supported, and loved you are right now. It is the deepest connection we can have from us to us. We can have the biggest love in our lives and have all the money in the world, but most of the life we spend in connection with ourselves. Connection with ourselves is the most important relationship in our lives. Connection with ourselves is the foundation for all of the other connections. No one can give to you as much as you can give to yourself. Only you know what you really need. Only you can give yourself what you really need. You can be here for yourself no matter what's going on. You can give to yourself what you want to receive from others. You don't need external permission to feel that within you. You can always feel the love that you always wanted. You can always feel the acceptance you always wanted. You can always feel the validation you always wanted. Let's really feel this. I now have the love that I always wanted. I now have the support that I always wanted. I now have the acceptance that I always wanted. I now have the validation that I always wanted. I now give myself the love, support, and validation that I always wanted. I don't have to change to feel this. I am enough. I really am. I allow myself to feel this truth. You are constantly so supported. You are so taken care of. You are so deeply worthy. You are so deeply deserving. All you have to do is remember this and stop abandoning yourself. All you have to do is allow yourself to feel this and to understand the love is really within you. You don't have to change or make anything happen in order to feel love. You are meant to be loved and supported. It's who you are. It's who you really are. Now let's feel gratitude for ourselves, for this gift. Say to yourself, I am here for you. I will always be here for you. Thank you. I really love you. So now, for the remainder of this meditation, just bring your attention back to the breath, in and out, in and out, in and out. And you can just open your eyes when you feel ready. Lots of love. This meditation was written by Gloria M.